everyone, I want to say thank you for coming in my presentation. So let me introduce myself. My name is Umiati and I'm going to present about Model United Nations, its effectiveness to teach speaking from the perspective of student learning motivation. Okay, and let's to move to introduction. Globalization is an inevitable worldwide big plan under the spirit of international cooperative network to call for life betterment. For Indonesia, welcoming globalization can help aggrandise national competitiveness, yet can potentially impoverish people with low competitive ability. Accordingly, the government braced comprehensive potential as way to avoid being a potential market only. One of the ways by improving the quality of education. The learning theory suggests that learning beyond interaction between subject and object. On the other hand, another teaching method which evidently appeals to scaffold the principle of student-centered learning is a small group discussion or SGD. As a practical realization of a superviance toward the government scientific approach, English language teaching implements such teaching approach to improve student skill are speaking, listening, reading, and reading. The MUN is originally and even inspired by the biggest organization. That the MUN is originally and even inspired by the biggest organization in this universe called of Model United Nations or MUN. Particularly, MUN is still new for Indonesia. Okay, let's move to in the method. Taking place of the private university in Surakarta, the study was conducted from the September to November. The study employed both the test and non-test instrument. The test was used to measure student speaking skills, and the test was used to measure student learning motivation. On the other hand, the student motivation will be measured by using questionnaire. Afterward, to analyze the data, descriptive and inferential analysis, normality testing is meant to see the composition of the student in each class from the fast learner to slow learner, and homogeneity test is meant to find out whether experimental and control classes are balanced or homogeneous and comparable. Okay, let's move to the finding and discussion. By using multifactor analyzing, applying MUN and applying SGD bring differently significant effect in the test speaking. That MUN is more effective than SGD to teach speaking. The study revealed that MUN is evidently more effective to be implemented in teaching speaking to the student having high learning motivation than SGD. The second finding of the section is specific to students with low learning motivation toward this student. It is found that implementing MUN or SGD is equally effective in teaching speaking. And next is we move to conclusion and suggestion. The findings and discussion result some conclusion. MUN is statistically reviewed as the more effective teaching method than SGD to teach speaking at the third semester student of English department of the university. The student was learning motivation is category into high level process better speaking achievement than those category into low level. MUN is one of the trends in education currently and massively being introduced, adjusted, modified, and implemented for teaching learning alternative. Logically, it is important to the English lecturer or teacher to improve student learning motivation in order that their speaking skills also improve. Many ways can be done by them to improve student learning motivation, such as selecting teaching method which is able to stimulate their learning motivation. Self-reflection is very important for students to do, including contemplating what to do and how it's improve learning achievement. To students with low learning motivation, it is better to select teaching method which does not damage high active participant. It should actively be involved or at least ask for every lecture to test student level of learning motivation. The finding is in the study can be paid or for other research to theoretically be a constructive reference to conduct similar research or other kinds. The finding in this study can be paid off for other research to theoretically be a constructive reference to conduct similar research for other kind of research which still have something to do with the teaching method and learning motivation in. Okay, I think it's enough and I just want to say thank you so much and bye bye.